Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you what to do if you forgot your lock screen password on your Samsung Galaxy A3. If you forgot your lock screen password, the first thing you may want to try is to try and remember the password. That's the easiest way, but if no matter what you do, you just can't remember your password, you will have to do something more complicated. Now, since it won't let you turn off your phone normally, well, wait, before you do this, first you should want to try and maybe contact brand support or an authorized service center to try and maybe get their help and just trying to recover your device. But if that's not an option or they can't help you, you might have to perform a factory reset yourself, which you can do so by first connect your phone with a cable to preferably your PC or a charger. Then press and hold the power button and the volume down buttons to get your phone to reset. This should get it here. It will now, you now have to wait for the full charging logo to load up, and then press and hold all three of these buttons until this pops up. Keep holding them. And now it's gonna show this. It may take a little while, but after this it's going to show no command window, and then you just have to wait. I'll speed it up for you. Now, after waiting, you will see you are now in recovery mode. In here, you can use your volume buttons to navigate this menu. You want to navigate to wipe data / factory reset. Although do remember that you will need your Google account information in order to be able to use the phone after the factory reset. Otherwise your phone will be pretty much bricked, you could say. You will not be able to use it without those. So you want to do a factory reset. Use your power button to confirm the selection, then scroll down one more to select yes, and then use the power button to confirm again. Now you have to wait, and once it's done, use the power button to select reboot system now, and now you will be able to see that your phone is starting up again. Though you will lose all of your data. That is an unfortunate effect of performing a factory reset. All of your data, all of your photos, just everything you had on your phone that isn't backed up on your Google account or the cloud somewhere. So now you have to wait for your phone to get into first setup mode. Now, after waiting for a while, you will now be in the first setup mode. Here you can select your language by the option below the arrow if you don't understand the words, because it picked a language you maybe don't understand. Just try scrolling down, find English. Then once you've picked your language, just tap on the arrow, insert the SIM card if you have any. Oh yeah, when you got into recovery mode, you could freely unplug it already, but only after you got into recovery mode. Then you have to connect to some network, and after connecting you will have to log into your Google account that you had on the phone before. Otherwise, it won't let you through. So once you've connected, click next. You have to agree to at least this. And click continue. It's gonna check for updates, which may again take a little while. If your internet isn't the best, then it's gonna check info, and in a second right here is going to prompt you to verify your account, which I'm going to do right now. Now that I've put in the account details, you can add the account back to the phone or use a new account. I'm going to add the old account in. If you chose to add a new account, it would not add this one, but instead prompt you to log into another one. You can now try choosing a backup to restore. We will choose this backup because it's the latest one. Try recovering all of your data, or at least as much of your data as you can. Now set up some new pattern. Hopefully this one you will be able to forget. You can choose to require it when the device powers on or not, if that's what you feel like. Just make sure to remember this new pattern. Maybe draw it on a piece of paper and put it in someplace safe so people don't find it, but also in case you forget it, you can find it. Although you really shouldn't do that, but as the last resort, if you are really forgetful, you may need to do that, or at least, or even don't set a pattern at all if you don't need it really. But of course, otherwise, outside of needing to use an account, you don't really have any difference from the first time you would have ever turned on your phone. But yes, if this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.